This is the Galaxy A16, and in this video I'll show you how to change the alarm sound ringtone on your phone. Go to the clock app and then tap alarm. I'll just make an alarm here quickly, and now we just tap on the alarm, tap alarm sound. You can choose from Spotify or ringtone. Just choose the one you like, adjust the volume, and if you want you can enable the read time and alarm name allowed, and then you can also enable the gradually increase volume option. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.